updating your Payout bank on Tipalti is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your banking information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Tipalti account. Access the Tipalti platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Payout settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Select Update bank information. In the Payout settings, look for an option to update or edit your bank information. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter your new bank details. Fill in the required fields with your new bank account information. Ensure that all details are accurate, including the account number and routing number to avoid any payout issues. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new bank details, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email verifying that your bank information has been updated successfully. Make sure to review your payout settings periodically to keep your information up to date. This will help ensure that your payments are processed without any delays.